class for grammar. Yeah, so you guys don't be patient for a long time. So you will have 15 minutes class, okay? Right. So when you are having great time, right? You should prepare something for yourself, which is you want to be something like a fancy, get a fancy job or doing something good things together with your peers or family members or whatever. You should prepare something, right? So, when you look at this, what do you think?
Shopping.
Something.
Champagne. Soccer.
Soccer. Champagne cup. Vodka.